The whole approach from government for the last year and a half has been as mean-spirited as one can get towards these hospices. It's a slap in the face to the thousands of volunteers out there who support them and to the public who fundraise for them.
Yesterday in the Dáil, I raised the plight of our hospices across the country, Marymount, Limerick, Galway and Blanchardstown, Raheny, who quite frankly haven't been given funding by the government to give pay restoration to their employees, and as a result are short funds, which will mean that some are cancelling community visits, some may have to make severe cuts in January, as in cutting and closing specialist palliative care beds. They've put up with a lot. Government is shortchanging them, not giving them the respect that they deserve, and it's not good enough that the public have to fundraise to the degree that they do to support our hospices across the country. So I'm calling on government to give the necessary funding to our hospice movement across the country and to make sure that they can continue to provide the level of services that they currently do at the moment.